Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today it is a 5-minute card and I'm going to be using the Sunny Splash Cling Stamp set from the annual catalogue. So to start this off, I've got some scrap paper and I am going to be using, I think I'm going to use this one here, which is just cute with its little dots. So let's get that mounted up. And I'm going to be using Polish Pink for this card. Pink card for a pink sunbathing costume. And it doesn't matter where I stamp this, I'm going to be punching it out, okay? So I'm just going to sort of stamp it about there. Very pretty, I love that colour. Love it, love it, love it. And I'm going to run through with it with the decorative circle punch. Okay, now I'm going to grab a piece of cardstock that will be the base of my card. So this is 10.5 centimetres by 14.8 centimetres. And I have my sponging brush and my polished pink again. And I'm going to, which way around shall I go? I'll go this way so that that will go there in the centre. So I'm going to be sponging around that area. Okay, and it doesn't matter if I blob in the middle because that's where I'm going to be covering my cardstock with my punch out. Okay, so I just sort of want to make sure that I'm definitely going outwards on my card. I'm getting extra lots of colour on there. So when I put that on, I've just got a nice background. Okay, to finish it off, I'm going to be doing Make a Splash. So let's get that onto a block. And Make a Splash. It's going to go on the bottom just there. And then I'm going to run some polished pink ribbon around the card. So I'm just going to grab some snips. They're over on this side of the desk. That's going to run over in the middle. I've just put that adhesive underneath where my pop-up's going to be, so it's not going to make any difference to me that it's underneath there, but it's just going to hold the ribbon in place while I stick it down from underneath. And then while I'm sort of in the mood and I'm already on that side, I'm just going to add some adhesive all over this card and get it added to a standard card base. Oops, that's a different ribbon. I have my card bases underneath my ribbon rack. And I don't always wheel my ribbons back up because I'm messy. Well, kind of. And there we go. So there's that bit. Now some dimensionals on the back of the decorative circle. Okay. Stick that on there, and then I'm going to be using our new enamel effects. They're absolutely beautiful and stunning, and I do have them. There they are. So I'm going to be using the white one, and I'm going to use this just underneath the Make a Splash because I'd made a little bit of a boo-boo, so I'm just going to make myself a big dot there, and I'm going to make myself two little ones, 1, 2. But also I'm going to be using it on my swim costume. So I'm just going to pop a big dot just in the center like that. And there is my 5-minute, which is actually a 4-minute really, dead simple, easy card using the gorgeous Sunny Splash Cling Mount stamp set and the polished pink colour. And actually, just to finish it off, because I did have a few seconds spare, I'm going to put myself a bow on there. Yeah, that'll finish it. Do like a good faux bow. So I'm just going to manoeuvre that so I get a nice flat but very small bow. It will sit nicely on the card then. A bit smaller. There we go. And snip. And snip. A bit of adhesive onto the actual ribbon and pop the bow on there like that. And there we go. Finished card. 5-minute card. Thanks everybody for joining me today. Everything I've used is available from slimandstylish.stampinup.net, and I will see you all again soon. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store www.slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.